This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the alpha Revenant of Roses. First, understand that this is a challenging encounter requiring careful preparation. We will cover the necessary steps, from gathering essential items to mastering combat tactics. This guide aims to simplify the process, ensuring you are well-equipped to face this formidable opponent and claim its exclusive drops. Let's dive into the details. Before confronting the alpha Revenant, proper preparation is crucial. Ensure your character is at least level 75 to handle the fight effectively. You will also need a powerful weapon, ideally one with 250 or more attack power, to deal significant damage. Don't forget to stock up on consumables. 5 health potions and 3 mana elixirs are highly recommended to sustain you through the battle. The alpha Revenant of Roses resides deep within the Whispering Thicket, a dense and ancient forest. Once you engage it, focus on avoiding its devastating thorn whip attack, which can inflict substantial damage. Observe its patterns. After a powerful roar, it enters a brief vulnerable phase. This is your prime opportunity to unleash your strongest abilities and deal maximum damage. Persistence and precise timing are key to victory. Upon defeating the alpha Revenant, you will be richly rewarded. Expect to receive the legendary Rosewood Blade, a powerful weapon, along with a rare enchantment scroll to further enhance your gear. You will also earn 15,000 experience points and 500 gold coins, boosting your character's progression. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, remember to look in the description below this video. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.